Hello. In front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you blue cards training. In the beginning, let's go to blue cards in Training Hub. In the case of severe foul, the offending player may be issued with a blue card. Upon receiving a blue card, the player must stay off the pitch until the blue card timer expires. The player may re-enter the pitch once the blue card timer counts down to 0. Each time the penalty team concedes a goal, the remaining time on the blue card timer is decreased, allowing the player to return sooner. And that's how blue cards work. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.